Achari Gosht. Hi, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. I'm Rupa here. Again, we're going to do a meat preparation, that's mutton, done in a very different way. We're going to do it in a Achari Gosht, it's called. As the name suggests, we're going to do it in a pickled masala, but we are going to grind our own pickled masala. So let's go ahead and look at this wonderful recipe. Mutton, it's on bone and it's medium sized pieces. About 1 cup curd, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 large tomato finely chopped. As the name suggests that it's Achari Gosht and it's going to be spicy and little fiery. So for that, I've given a little twist to it. I'm going to use some fresh jalapenos or the bhavnagri chillies that are there in season now. So about 5 to 6 green chillies. We'll require about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of garam masala powder, a teaspoon of chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, salt to taste, and oil for cooking. For the achari masala, we are going to require a teaspoon of kalonji seeds, onion seeds, half a teaspoon of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds, a tablespoon of cumin seeds, a tablespoon of coriander seeds, a teaspoon of sauf or fennel seeds, a teaspoon of paprika powder. That's to give the color to the achari masala. To begin with, let's make the achari masala. For that, you have to just dry roast the masala seeds, what I just showed you in the ingredients, and then grind it to a coarse powder. So put on a pan on heat and just add all the seeds that are required to make the achari masala. The kalonjis, the methi seeds, the cumin, the coriander and the fennel. Just lightly roast it till a nice aroma is lifted. You can smell the kalonji and the methi. They give out a nice fragrance. See that you don't burn it. Just shut the gas and we'll grind it to a coarse powder. Let it just cool down before you take it for grinding. All the seeds have been roasted, dry roasted. Let's grind them to a coarse powder. This is ground to coarse powder. Take it out in a bowl. Add the paprika powder to it. Mix well. So this is the achari masala which we have prepared. This is readily available in the market, but the fragrance and the aroma won't come so good from the market masala. If you make it fresh, it's really giving a good aroma to the dish. So let's keep it aside and let's start marinating the mutton for the preparation. Take a bowl, take the mutton in it, add the curd, season it. Let's add the achari masala to it. Keep some to fill in the green chillies with. So about a tablespoon keep and add the rest. I'm using my hands. Mix it well. Marinate this for about 15 minutes. Leave it aside. Till then we will start sauteing the onion and the tomatoes. We'll make this in the pressure cooker because it will just save time. But if you can really make it on slow cooking, it really turns out good. But I'm just showing a quick preparation. Take a pressure cooker, add the oil, about 2 tablespoons. Once the oil goes hot, add the onions. Saute till it goes translucent. You can do this on high flame also. See that it doesn't burn. As the onion is going translucent, add the turmeric powder and the ginger garlic paste. Saute. The onions have gone translucent, as you can see. Add the tomatoes. Saute. Lower the flame and let the tomatoes go soft and become homogeneous with the onions. So it takes about 4 to 5 minutes for it. Keep on stirring intermittently. The tomatoes have gone soft, you can see. Let's start seasoning it. Add the chilli powder, the garam masala powder, saute. Add the marinated mutton. It's almost 10 minutes that the mutton is marinating. So add that to it. On a high flame, just fry the mutton along with the tomato and the onion mixture till it gets nicely coated. Do this for about 2 to 3 minutes till the oil starts separating. You can see the mutton pieces are nicely coated with the masala and the oil has started to separate out. At this stage, add very little water, about half a cup, because the curd will leave moisture and we don't want the gravy to be very thin. It has to be a nice thick preparation. So let's put it on pressure. Let one whistle blow, then simmer it and cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. The whistle has blown, so let's put it under pressure, simmer the gas, and as I said, cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes on simmer. Till then, we'll prepare these chilies, which will go in the meat at the fag end. Once the meat is cooked, we'll put these chilies and let them go a little limp in the masala for about 5 minutes. That we'll do later, but just we'll prepare them for time being. It's nothing much. These are nice whole green chilies. Give it a slit. Take out the seeds and make a cavity in them like that. Okay. So similarly, let's make the other chilies also. So the chilies are prepared and we have left some achari masala, about a tablespoon of it. Add the lemon juice to it and mix it. Just fill these chilies with the masala and keep it aside. So prepare these chilies by filling in the achari masala into them and keep them aside. Once the meat is cooked, we will put these chilies and just simmer it for about 5 minutes till they go limp and the lemon juice gets incorporated into the meat. The mutton is cooking under pressure for about 10 to 12 minutes. Let's shut the gas and let the pressure drop. Then we'll add the chilies to it. Yeah, the pressure has dropped and the mutton is cooked. A nice thick gravy, as you can see. At this stage, again put it on stove, put it on simmer and add the chilies to it. Give it a mix. Let it simmer for about 5 to 6 minutes till the chilies go a little limp and they add to the flavor into the curry. After we added the chilies, which was stuffed with the pickle masala, it's cooking for about 5 minutes. You can see it's all come together. The chilies have got limp. We don't want them to overcook because the fragrance, and when you eat, it's nice when they're a little crunchy. So let's shut the gas and take it for serving. The Achari Gosht is ready. A very awesome recipe, and with the chilies, it really gives a very different taste. I hope you make it and you can have it with roti or parathas.